Hey, good Friday morning to you, East Texas. Here's a live look from atop the Plaza Tower this morning, and what it's showing is we've got some clouds out there, but that's about it. Things are pretty calm to start off the day, but it's not going to stay that way as we go into the afternoon. We're going to have more in the way of a severe threat. So here's a look at those current temperatures. 68 degrees right now, winds east at about 5 miles per hour. That dew point at 66. So things, again, pretty calm and quiet right now. But as we look off to our north, we do have a lot of thunderstorm activity across portions of Oklahoma into Arkansas, where a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Here across East Texas, that warm front is lifting to the north, and we've got cloud cover in place, which we will see more of as we go into the afternoon. And eventually what that's going to do is it's going to lead to, of course, those showers and storms, which could be in the form of severe weather. So a 70% coverage of showers and storms later on today, and then that increases to about a 90% coverage tonight into Saturday. So here's Futurecast. Things are going to get more active. Here's about 2 p.m. when we start to see the initiation of some of those storms, and then they continue to intensify and move off to the northeast. Any of these storms could produce large hail and tornadoes, and then we'll see that continue through the evening. We get a little bit of a break before another widespread round of showers and storms comes through tonight into tomorrow morning, and then things begin to move out still in deep East Texas by tomorrow afternoon, and then all of us should be rain free as we head into Sunday morning. So today, as far as our severe ingredients go, we've got the moisture, we've got the instability, we've got the wind shear, and then later on this afternoon we're going to have that lift that we need to get those storms going. So all the ingredients are there for significant severe weather later on today, which is why a moderate risk is in place for several of our counties, and we're going to continue to monitor that, of course, as we go into the afternoon, because it could be a long afternoon here across East Texas. That high threat for tornadoes, hail, damaging winds, and then that medium threat of flash flooding, which the flash flooding threat will increase tonight into tomorrow. And then for Saturday, that severe threat pushes a little farther to the east with an enhanced risk for about the eastern third of the area. That rainfall forecast, especially over the next 36 hours, shows we could be picking up significant rainfall, especially along and north of Interstate 20. So definitely want to keep that in mind. But then in the extended range, we start to dry out with below normal rain chances expected. Temperatures right now are in the 70s, especially south of that warm front. North of it, temperatures are a lot cooler, and we're seeing that warm front slowly lifting back to the north. So Sulphur Springs should start to warm up here pretty quickly as well. Here's a look at that forecast today. 83 with severe thunderstorms expected tonight. Heavy thunderstorms, that flash flood risk goes up. 62 is going to be that low. And your 7-day forecast showing, again, severe weather chances today into tomorrow. Then we're mostly cloudy and cool Sunday, but then the sunshine returns by Monday, and then we warm things back up into the middle part of next week. And for more on that forecast, you can always visit us on our website at fox51.com.